Hello, little learners. So today I have a really fun game that covers a lot of different areas. So what I've done is I've made some little dens because we've been talking about hibernation. So I just use these little styrofoam bowls, and you could do the same thing with a Kleenex box or any kind of recycled box. I just cut a little dome in there, and they could decorate them too. It's tons of fun as well. And then I have some Teddy Grahams, which once you add food, the kids are hooked. You don't have to use Teddy Grahams. You can use something else to represent the bears as well. So I've got a fun little game here, but they can play with a partner. And so it's that cooperation piece, it's the turn taking. And what they can do is they can each have 6 bears. So they have that 1-to-1 correspondence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So they each get 6 bears. They each have a dice. And they just roll the dice. So here we are with subitizing. So another math concept. And then what they're doing is they're rolling the dice. They've got number 3. So they're putting the 3 bears inside their den. So you know what? There's some fine motor right there too. 1, 2, 3, all tucked in. And then the other person rolls and they roll a 1. So they put their 1 bear in there, and then they take their domes off, and then they can figure out which one has more and which one has less. And then you can also do this with math sentences. So you have your math sentence here. So they can just put 3 bears there plus 1. Then you put them together and they count them. 1, 2, 3, 4 equals 4. So it's a really fun way to do some math sentences as well. So lots of different things in there. You've got fine motor, turn taking, cooperation, subitizing, 1-to-1 correspondence, more or less, math sentences. And then at the end, the best part is they get to eat their 6 teddy bears. So great activity and lots to extend that or to adapt it. So have fun with your dens and your teddy bears.